Imagine waking up every morning to the sound of money hitting your account without having to lift a finger. No, this isn't a fantasy or a get rich quick scheme. It's the reality of passive income where your money works for you, whether you're at the beach, on a hike, or just sleeping in. In today's fast paced world, who wouldn't want to earn more while doing less? If you're ready to unlock the secrets to financial freedom, stick around because I'm about to reveal the top 5 passive income strategies for 2024. Number 1, dividend paying stocks. Let's start with one of the most tried and true methods, dividend paying stocks. These are shares in companies that pay you a portion of their profits just for owning them. Think of it as your share of the pie. Companies in stable industries like utilities or consumer goods often pay regular dividends, which can provide you with a steady, reliable income stream. Take Johnson & Johnson, for example. This healthcare giant has been paying dividends for decades and is part of a select group known as dividend aristocrats, companies that have not only paid dividends consistently, but have also increased their payouts for at least 25 consecutive years. With a solid track record and a diverse portfolio of products, Johnson & Johnson offers investors a reliable way to earn passive income regardless of market fluctuations. And the best part? You don't have to sell your shares to make money. The dividends keep coming in whether the market goes up or down. Number 2, real estate crowdfunding. Next up, let's talk about real estate, but not in the traditional sense. I'm talking about real estate crowdfunding. This method lets you invest in properties without the headache of managing tenants or maintaining a building. Platforms pool money from multiple investors to buy and manage real estate, and you earn a share of the rental income. It's a hands-off approach to owning real estate, and with just a small amount of capital, you can start building a diverse property portfolio. Number 3, peer-to-peer lending. Now imagine being the bank. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses, earning interest in return. With banks tightening their lending, more people are turning to these platforms for loans, which means there's a growing demand and growing returns for you. By carefully selecting your borrowers, you can generate a steady income stream, often with higher returns than a traditional savings account. But here's a question for you. Have you ever thought about earning income from the digital revolution that's happening right now? What if I told you there are modern, tech-savvy ways to generate passive income that go beyond traditional methods? Number 4, enter proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies. If you're familiar with Bitcoin, you might know it's based on a system called proof of work, which requires a lot of energy and computing power. Proof of stake, on the other hand, lets you earn rewards simply by holding and staking your coins. By staking, you're helping to validate transactions on the blockchain, and in return, you earn a share of the transaction fees or new coins. It's a low-maintenance way to grow your crypto holdings, and with the rise of networks like Ethereum 2.0 or Avalanche, it's becoming more lucrative than ever. Number 5. Finally, let's dive into the world of decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi lending platforms allow you to lend your cryptocurrency to others in exchange for interest. Unlike traditional banking, there's no middleman, just you and the borrower. This direct approach often means higher interest rates, and with the explosive growth of DeFi, there's never been a better time to get involved. If you're already holding crypto, why not let it earn you even more? So there you have it, 5 powerful ways to earn passive income in 2024. Whether you're investing in stocks, real estate, or the digital frontier of cryptocurrencies, these strategies offer something for everyone. And the best part? You don't need to choose just one. Diversifying your passive income streams can help you find financial fortress that works for you 24/7. The question is, which one will you start with today? Let your money do the heavy lifting and enjoy the freedom that comes with true financial independence.